आतां परिस्थिती तुका अशें कितें दिसता स्टील आयचो रेस्पॉन्स
डेली दिसता म्हणजे आम्ही हंगर स्ट्रायक्सान गेल्ले आसा न्ही 2 फावटी
तूं
हंगर स्ट्रायक गेल्लो
आतां सद्याक तूं हांगर स्ट्रायकार आहा
ना ना आतां सध्या ना पयलीं आमी 7 दीस केला मागीर 12 दीस केला ते खबर आसा विरेश बायची आमच्या कशी हालत जातली ते म्हाका कळटा म्हटलें आनी दुसरें म्हणजे कसोसो आमकां आहा आयज म्हाका दिसता हेका नात सरकाराक नात खंय तरूच ना अशें दिसता सरकार एक कठोर जाल्लो आहा फातराचो कसो आनी तो आयज हें पळयता आयज तरेतरेचे लोक हांगा सगळे वाठारांतले लोक हांगा येता कित्या खातीर येता गोंया सांबाळपा खातीर पूण आयज म्हाका दिसता सरकाराकूच गोंया नाका जाला दिसता तें आतां हें कितें कर्नाटकात व्हरूंक सोदता काय कितें हो प्रश्न म्हाका पडलेलो आसा कारण 39A हें काडूंक जाय आसलें स्क्रॅप करूंक जाय आसलें पूण तें करिना आनी विरेश बाबा तेच म्हणटा न्ही आतां आमी कितें आमी खंयच्या पॉलिटिकल आसूं पण विरेश बाब जें कितें काम करता तें गोंया खातीर करता गोंया वाचोवपा खातीर करता त्या खातीर आमी हें करता
yes absolutely right Cecil bhai as Rajan Bab says this is cutting across political lines because I think Viresh became now universal like universal in terms of not only Goans what I have seen even non-Goan people आज तेजेर चर्चा करतात थोडे जाण and Goans all over the world they're all concerned for his life so what you got to say like something because I have seen you even yesterday also you were there near Dona Paula also आणि हांव जाणा तूं रातचे even till 8:39 I think you were there
There we were here till 3 o'clock.
after that we came here
We were serving dinner for everyone, arranged for dinner, washrooms for the ladies over there. So we did a lot of arrangements.
of course social work is there in your blood but still yeah
I think so. The main thing why we are all here is how Viresh was treated. Being an elected representative, the way he was taken out of the TCP office was not right. And I think so. This is something that CM should intervene as to how he is been removed out because he is from the same. They are all assembly elected representatives who are working for Goa itself. And CM making a statement saying that people should not be going to Vishwajit Rane's house like this and making a noise. I think so. CM has not even uttered one thing saying that how Viresh was taken out was not right and he will intervene. He should have been given bite on that. And after 3 days, he's come to visit Viresh yesterday, which is also not right. Something which is so important. I think so. We would have had little bit of some respect for CM if he had to come first day when he was on hunger strike. This is not right and we all condemn how Viresh has been treated. That's why we are all, even from the opposition today, we respect Viresh for fighting tooth and nail and how he's treated was not right. So we are there in support of Viresh, whatever needs to be done. Whatever, if they say go somewhere we will walk somewhere. Sit here, we will sit here. So whatever is their call, we are there to support Viresh.
basically this is the same thing Cecil bhai from day one जेन्ना म्हाका लक्षान आयलें आनी म्हाका कळलें की विरेशाक ह्या पद्दतीन हाडलो and when people were questioning as to why Viresh has gone and done something which was not decorum दवरूंक ना म्हणटा ते so that time I had question that means to correct one wrong are you going to do another wrong from as a state machinery
No, but what did Viresh do wrong?
yeah so they are saying
He's
that
doing his duty.
Yeah.
He has to go to the TCP department and question the authorities. Did he break any equipment there? Did he slap an officer?
and they had
didn't
not
do
become
anything.
violent at all
They were not violent. On top of that, they were sitting there and doing that. In spite of that, how he was treated, we've seen this across Goa that anytime someone comes to any office and starts questioning the authorities, people are being thrown out. Today, citizens are not being respected. There is no freedom of speech. There is no one held accountable for any wrongdoing. Whether it is in Taligaon, whether it is in Sanandri constituency or anywhere else. No elected representative is held accountable or no officer on duty is held accountable for the negligence and putting people's lives at risk. So this is something has to be
I want to add this one what हितून पळय विधानसभेन सुद्दां ताका उलोवपाक दिना
Of course.
ते काडटा ताका समते व्हरता म्हण भायर मेन अरे म्हाका सांग विधानसभेन उलोवपाक दिना विधानसभेचे दीस कमी करता आमदारांनी कितें करपाचें 7 जाण आमदारांनी कितें करपाचो हो प्रश्न येता अरे मागीर सांग टीसीपीन बसून जर तर आपल्या कॉस्टीचे हे विचारता जमनीचो घोटाळो एक केला ते पयर 39A लायला कित्या खातीर हें विचारपाक ऑथॉरिटी ताका ना बरं एक MLA म्हणून न्ही तर एक विरेश बोरकर म्हणून विचारपाक ना सिटीजन म्हणतो ना गोंयचो तो पाकिस्तानचो हाडून दवरला
एक्झॅक्टली तुमचें नांव कितें सर
देविदास आमोणकर
हां देविदास बाब सांग तुजें म्हणणें कितें
सी एम टोटल फेल जाला एज अ चीफ मिनिस्टर आणि एज अ होम मिनिस्टर तर तो सामकोच फेल जाला कारण त्याच्या कलिगाक जेन्ना असो ओडून हाडटा जसो सुण्यांक ओडून हाडटा तसो तेन्ना जर तो कांय करना जाल्यार तेणें रिजायन करपाक जाय.
मग त्याच मुद्द्याचेर हांवें एक प्रश्न घातिल्लो. CM आपूण कवर अप करता तो म्हणटा MLAन ही हॅज टू ऑल्सो मेंटेन हीज कितें म्हणटा ताका डेकोरम आनी तेणें फॉलो करूंक जाय आसले थोड्यो पद्दती पूण तरी आसतना वच टू वच म्हणटा चल कितें बाय चान्स तो CM म्हणटा म्हणून जाल्यार डज दॅट गिव द स्टेट द ऑथॉरिटी टू एक्ट इन एन एक्स्ट्रा कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल मॅनर अशें ओडून सारकें सुण्या भाशेन हाडप हें कितले पर्यंत
चुकूच आसा न्ही त्या खातीर हांव तर राजिनामा मागता एज अ होम मिनिस्टर एज अ चीफ मिनिस्टर इज नॉट केपेबल टू डू हीज ड्युटीज लायक आनी तो आपल्या हक्का खातीर जरी झगडपाक गेल्लो आपल्या म्हणजे पर्सनल हेज्या खातीर वचूंक नासलो कितें चुकीचें केल्लें तेणें जेन्ना आमी तुमकां निवडून दिता आमची कामां करपा खातीर तुमी जेन्ना कामां करना तेन्ना मागीर कितें करप जनतेन करप कितें तर तेच तो करतालो ही वॉज नॉट डुईंग एनीथींग रॉंग.
एक्झॅक्टली. सर इनडायरेक्टली आता सरकारान हें चिंतूंक जाय की विरेश बाब एक युनिवर्सल फिगर कसो जाल्लो आसा अँड द गव्हर्मेंट मस्ट बी व्हेरी कॉशियस दॅट नोबडी वील टॉलरेट एनीथींग इफ एनीथींग बाय चान्स बाय गॉड फॉरबीड कितें चुकलें जाल्यार विरेश हॅज बीन एक्सेप्टेड बाय द होल वर्ल्ड टुडे अशें.
येस आणि विरेशान मेन्शन केल्लें आसा विरेश जर
Yeah.
जालें जाल्यार रिस्पॉन्सिबल CM आसतलो ही गोश्ट लक्षात घेवपाक जाय.
Being the Home Minister and the CM.